Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy settings in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, we have to select a picture from the gallery that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on the picture, and after it loads, we have to wait a bit. After it loads, we tap on the three little dots in the top right corner. Here, we have to find the copy settings icon. We tap on it, and then we select the kinds of edits that we want to copy. Let's say all of these are valid. We tap on OK, and then these settings are copied. Now, if we go to another picture and tap on the three buttons in the top right corner, we can paste these settings, and then our edits are similar to one another. So in case of these pictures, these sunflowers, I can edit one of these pictures and then apply the settings to all of the others, because they are very similar in nature. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.